Hello, my name's Thomas Pappas. I'm with One Source Home Solutions. Going to do a repair here on the shingles. I'll have the claim number attached to the subject line when I send the video in. We're going to replace this wind damaged shingle here. It's a broken one. Per your request, I'm going to get a video going. Please excuse the hard breathing. I do have asthma. It's an old roof. Gotta be very careful when taking these things out. All right, see if this bad boy will slide on out. Well, we almost had it. Where you hung up at, baby? Whew. These things just fall apart. All right, we'll get our new shingle in here. Hot. All right, shingles in there. Let's see what we got. Let's see. A little delamination. Oh, delamination. Got a crease, tear, tear. Oh, we got a tear right here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you got any questions, my name's Thomas Pappas, 678-416-2432. Based on our repair here, I don't think that's a good quality repair. These will never stick again. That's a tear. That's a tear.